dirty or it had a tacky stuff in there, just using alcohol and wipe it off and let it dry. Then you can able to sculpting it. So I'm gonna do is just press it down, and it's had a 45-degree angle, perfect. So you're going to press and release, press and release. You don't have to do really aggressive. It's going to sculpting the way you want it, and then using the tips and guide the on the end to point it the way you want. You want a round shape, you can just really sculpt it the round shape, or you want a little bit pointed like a little leaves, a little petals, you can. All right, see how easy, simple it is. Okay, look like it's crooked, I mean off on the side, so I'm gonna change it. It's really cool about 4D gels. You can definitely adjusting it however you want until you are going to happy with this. Not happy, you can always take this bit off and restart it, okay? So there are no limits of what you can do. I think I try to get it right, because when you look in this end, that is, sometimes doing my nails I have to see in a different angle too. All right, so I'm happy with this. I'm gonna just flash key it for about 10 seconds, okay? It looks like straight. 10 seconds. I'm gonna using a little bit of a deep green. Oh, hi Mika. Mika here. Mika, you change your profile picture, right?
Rhea asked a question.
Oh,
She
sorry.
said, how do you remove your 4D?
Oh, you can just use it with your e-file. Yes. Yep, Mika's answer it right.
If you want a little more detail, Dom also have an answer for you.
Yeah. Oh, hey Mika. Hey Dom. Thank you, ladies, for tuning in. And then I'm gonna using the second bit and in deep green. I'm using deep green. Make sure you close the lids on. Don't want to let it like lids off on the right next to the window or where it's going to expose it to the sun. So I'm gonna do the same like techniques. Press down and release. Press it down and release. You can do more than 2 petals. You can do 3 or whatever you want. So now I'm happy with this, and I am going to show you some really cool tip and trick right here. Okay, so it's still wet. I haven't keyed anything at all, and even this one is still not full key. It's only 10 seconds. So I'm gonna do is just using is condensed glue gels, just a little bit. And my 4D gel is still wet, so I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, close the condensed glue gels and apply just a little bit of no wipe top coat. Right on the top of the unkeyed condensed glue gels. And then I'm gonna get a little cute frame. Sorry, my hands moved too far. Press it down. So it's kind of anchored down right into the 4D gel. So even holding that frame, even like stronger, I guess, like tight in there, so it's not going anywhere. If I'm telling you a story that Mika couldn't even get this crystal off from the other set, then you'll be like, oh, right, Mika? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flash gear for 10 seconds, and I'm gonna add some couple crystal in there. And I'm gonna start using condensed blue gels again. So I'm gonna do a crystal placement for this short nail. So then for a lot of you have questions like, oh, my clients have is short nails, they're never gonna get crystal, it's not gonna stay, or is all the designs is just designs for the big nails or for long nails is not really 100% true. We have a short nail clients and they really enjoy the crystal placements as well, and some nail art. So I'm gonna use a lot of cool products from my subscription box, and then I did use this little beautiful like kind of a purple lavenders finish. It is from the Aurora's gel polish, which is exclusive, come in the subscription box at the moment right now. So a subs member get a first hands-on and a taste of that is Aurora's. When you're doing this, it doesn't look like it's just shimmery regular gel polish. You have to experience it, you have to see it in the hand to see how it affects. Is really cool though, and it can do it on the top of any colors. Like can be pink, black, white, yellows, blue, however you would like on your background, and then you can apply this on the top. It looks the shade of the color, but it really translucent, so you can do with any colors on the background. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of the glow in the darks. Us, of course, it's gonna be matching with like glow in the darks. Did I do a top coat yet? I don't think so. Did I? No. So next gonna be a top coat. Sorry, I keep talking and then forget I need to do a top coat on. Hugh doesn't even remember. You mean that you didn't pay attention, babe?
I was looking at the screen.
Alright, so I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'm so obsessed with these kits. I don't know is I'm ever gonna divorce from these kits because they are giving me so much of inspiration in their ideas. Let me see. I'm getting a couple frame right there. And another frame here. Not this frame. All right, so we're gonna do some other colors. I use a lot of this. For last few design, you can see that I put so great. Want smaller green. That's it. I'm gonna add some beads on. You can add the beads on as you want, or you can just leave it alone. It looks so cute already. Can you still see on the screen? All right. I'm excited to go into the polished stone as well. The polished stone is really cool. I have it on my other thumbs right now. I just want to change the different designs on each nail, like just just switch it to mix match. It doesn't have to be like 2 thumbs. I'm gonna turn it this way to make sure that I get it's all right. All right, happy with this? Here for 60 seconds.